Hello guys, welcome to TupikeAfrikan YouTube channel. So on today's episode we'll be making this delicious bhajia with just a small twist. So these are the ingredients. We have half a kg of potatoes, Irish potatoes, and then we have a bunch of cilantro or dania, and then we used carrot juice. Imagine I never used any additional color, just carrot juice, and then there we have some baking flour. So these are our potatoes. You can either decide to peel them or not peel them. So as for me, I decided to peel the bhajias. So here I'm just peeling while removing the eyes. After that, you wash your potatoes well, and then using a slicer, or you can always use a knife, okay? But I used this since I wanted them to be the same size and shape, okay? Yes, but if you have a knife, it can still work the same way. So you see, I'd washed these potatoes, but after cutting them, as you can see in the water, there was a little bit of starch over there, and so you have to rinse that again, and then you ensure that you roughly chop your cilantro or your dania. So here we're just going to rough chop them, and we will not separate the stalks or the leaves. And then after that, we take now the other part of making the batter. Here we have flour and imagine carrot juice, guys. Please try this out. I'm sure there's no one on the internet who has ever made bhajias using carrots. It's not a must that you use food color. Food color is not safe for your liver, and so that is why I just decided, since I don't have turmeric, what do I have? And then it crossed in my mind that the color that I want is still in carrots, and that is what I did. So after making the batter should be thick. It should not be a light batter. It should be very thick and not so thick. This consistency is the right consistency. So after that, you add in your chopped potatoes and using your hands. So if at all you feel like dirtifying your hands, you can wear a glove, but since I don't mind that, you can mix that using your hands, and then you place the potatoes in hot oil, okay? So here I'm placing them individually. Don't place them as a bunch, because if you place them as a bunch, they are going to cook in an unpleasant way. And as you can see, imagine, here I was very shocked. I was just telling myself, God is great. Imagine, this was just like a trial and error, and you can see the carrots give the right color. And I'm sure you can also see even in the oil has a little bit of some carrot slices, okay? So you just grate your carrots and you blend them to make that carrot juice. So ensure that you fetch a little bit of the batter, and after you've coated your potatoes, you dip them in hot oil, just like that. As you can see, these ones had already stuck up together, but even if they stick together, don't worry. Just place them in a coriander like so, and after you throw them up a little bit, they're definitely going to depart from each other, okay? So you see, look at that color, guys. I was so happy. And even if you try this recipe, kindly ensure that you tell me how your bhajias are going to turn out to be. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you so much. And also, if you're interested in cooking content, please subscribe to the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up and leave a sweet comment below. God bless you.